Hey, I know you've been anxiously waiting to check your DV Lotto results, and the time is here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to check your application step by step. So stay tuned and let's get started. Hello, you're welcome once again to my video. As I said earlier on, I will take you through the steps on how to check your DV Lottery results. Don't go and pay money to anyone. You can do it yourself on your laptop or your smartphone. So just go open your browser and visit this website, dv.state.gov. So this is the website. Just do it yourself. Don't let anybody take your money. You can do it yourself on your laptop, on your phone. So this is the screen that will appear. This is the screen. If you see anything less or more than this, just advise yourself. Click on check status. Check status. That's it. So there's the information for you, the applicant. Be sure you have the entrance confirmation number, last or family name, and year of birth to check the entrance. So what this means is that when you submitted your application or after you submitted your application, there was a confirmation page that you downloaded, printed, or took a screenshot. So all this information right here can be found on that screen or on that paper, on that screenshot you made. The confirmation number, your last name, and the year of birth can be seen on the screenshot or the printout you made. So let me show you how it looks like. So this is how the screen looks like. This is how the screenshot you made looks like. This is exactly how it looks like. You will see your entrance name, you see confirmation number, you see year of birth on that paper. So those are the exact information you have to enter on that screen. So click continue. Confirmation number, you just type in the confirmation number that is on that paper, on that screenshot you made. Type it exactly as you see it. Type it exactly as you see it. You scroll down to last or family name, so you just enter it right there. Year of birth, just enter it right there. It's not all that hard. You can do it yourself. Authentication code. So this is a random code that they send um, so that they'll make sure you are not a robot. Yeah. So this code normally changes and it's alphanumeric, case sensitive. So if it's capital A or small a, just type it as you see it. If it's 1, 0, O, just type it as you see it. After that, you click on submit. After clicking on submit, this is the screen that you see. If it happens that you've been selected, this is the screen that you see. Stating that you have been randomly selected for further processing in the DV or Diversity Immigrant Visa Program for the fiscal year. Depending on your fiscal year, they will state it right there. So they will tell you that the selection does not guarantee that you will receive a visa because the number of applicants selected is greater than the number of visas available. So as soon as you see that you've been randomly selected, and the fact that you've been selected does not mean you are guaranteed to receive a visa. So this is the first step. This is the first step in all your entire program that you'll be doing. This is the first step. So As I told you, it's not hard. Just get your smartphone, your laptop, visit the website, input your information in there, and you'll be good. Don't let any guy take you some dollars, cities, or any amount of money to just do it for you. You can do it yourself. And after this video, I will also upload another video on how to fill your DS260 form, your DS260 application, and any other thing regarding this DV Lottery application. If you have any question, don't forget to comment your question. I'll come and give you answers to those questions. So yeah, you can do it yourself. As I said earlier on, it's not that hard. Just just try, do it yourself, follow the steps, and you'll be good. Yeah. Once again, this is Square J TV. Please share, subscribe, like, and comment for me, and let's all grow this channel together. Thank you. Bye.